The diffusion of innovation theory, proposed by Everett Rogers in 1962, explores how new ideas, products, or technologies spread through society over time. This theory is foundational in understanding the adoption process and the factors influencing the rate of adoption within a population. At the heart of the diffusion of innovation theory are 5 key elements: innovation, communication channels, time, social system, and adopter categories. Innovation. An innovation is any new idea, product, or practice that is perceived as new by an individual or group. Innovations can range from technological advancements to new methods of doing things. Communication channels. Communication channels are the means through which information about an innovation is spread. These channels can include mass media, interpersonal networks, opinion leaders, or formal communication channels within organizations. Time. The diffusion process occurs over time, with innovations moving through various stages from introduction to adoption. The rate of diffusion can vary depending on the characteristics of the innovation and the social context in which it is introduced. Social system. The social system refers to the network of individuals and groups that influence the diffusion process. This includes social norms, cultural values, economic factors, and institutional structures that shape how innovations are perceived and adopted within a society. Adopter categories. Rogers identified 5 adopter categories based on the time at which individuals adopt an innovation: innovators, early adopters, early majority, late majority, and laggards. Each category represents a distinct segment of the population with different characteristics and motivations for adopting innovations. The diffusion of innovation theory suggests that the rate of adoption is influenced by several factors, including the perceived relative advantage of the innovation, its compatibility with existing values and practices, complexity, trialability, and observability. Innovations that offer clear benefits, are easy to understand and use, and can be tried on a limited basis are more likely to spread quickly through a population. Understanding the diffusion of innovation theory allows marketers to develop effective strategies for introducing and promoting new products or ideas. By identifying key influencers, leveraging appropriate communication channels, and addressing barriers to adoption, marketers can accelerate the diffusion process and maximize the impact of their innovations in the marketplace.